Now, in today's video, I want to share with you how I'm able to rank my video first in the YouTube search. I think it is very, very important for us to be able to rank our video first on the YouTube search and also on the Google, because there are a lot of people who are searching the YouTube just to watch some certain kind of content. And at the end of the day, I upload my video and my video came as #1 ahead of my competitors. I'm just so happy. So I actually want to share with you how I'm able to do it. But there is another thing you need to know, because what if your video actually came first and the audience refused to click on your video? What is wrong? This is another thing I'm going to share in today's video. So now let me explain how I'm able to rank my video first in the YouTube search. So anytime I actually want to create my own content, like I decided to say, okay, let me create content on what people are searching. And I say, okay, how am I going to do it? I just go to the YouTube search, and go to their search bar. I just type in these keywords. Like I want to make video on how I rank my video on the YouTube search. So I now decided to type in these keywords. Then I take a look at the auto completion, because the YouTube algorithm will actually complete these keywords for you. It will actually, show you the related keywords people are taking in searching the content you actually search for. So I now pick my pen and paper. I jot all these keywords. I jot them down. And the reason why I'm doing this is I actually want to know the volume of people who are searching it. How many people are searching this content using these keywords? So then I just decided to say, okay, now let me look for another website where I can easily know the volume of people who are searching these keywords. I go to the likes of vidIQ. It's another website out there where you can take your keywords to and do the research and know the volume of people who are searching it, even though if you did not subscribe. So also TubeBuddy is another website and keyword tools. So I use this website, anytime I actually want to know the volume of people who are searching using these keywords. So once I know the one that has the highest volume, I just pick this keyword. Then I decided to say, okay, now let me record my video based on this keyword. So while recording the video, I ensure I optimize the video while recording it. Then how do I do this? I just make sure I say the name of the keywords in my video, most especially at the beginning. Yes, let's say how I rank my video first in the YouTube search is the keywords I actually picked. So I make sure I optimize my video from the start. Then after finishing recording the video, I now immediately, edit the video. And also I rename the file, because I need to rename it. It's another form of, optimizing video. The title you actually want to write while uploading the video is what you are going to rename your video with. So I decided to rename it. And after that, I now go to the YouTube studio, then upload the video. Then title, how do I craft a title? Because you need to know how to craft a better title so that it will be better than your competitors. How do I do this? I just go to the YouTube search. Then I want to take a look at my competitors. So I now type how to rank my video first in the YouTube search. Then the YouTube will now bring lots of other people's video that have make content based on this, these keywords. So I now take a look at how they title their video. I just take a look at how they phrase it. Then I decided to say, okay, let me now write my title like that. But I ensure I change something. Let me say somebody writes YouTube growth strategy, how I rank my video first on the YouTube site. Then whenever I actually want to do my own, and I say YouTube SEO, how I rank my video first on the YouTube search. You see that it is quite different. So, but it is still the same thing, but I just make sure that I change something very slightly. So that's how I title my video, just to optimize it to actually come first on the YouTube search. So again, the descriptions, yes, I write the description very well, because the first 2 lines of the description, I ensure the keywords is mentioned there. This first 2 lines is built around these keywords I actually make my videos on. So it's another way of optimizing video, and this is how I do it. So after that, I now add my video in the playlist, because playlist is another way YouTube usually recommend video. So I usually add my video in the playlist, and it's a way of organizing content so that anytime your viewers actually visit your page, they will know that yes, you actually set your channel very, very well. So that's how I do it. Then after uploading the video, then I now wait to see how many people is going to click on it, because the video is going to come first. Then some of my video, people actually click it immediately. Why some? It take a while before they click on it. Then I now decided to take a look at why did people refuse to click on this video, even though it came first. Then what I noticed was that The thumbnail, I actually made a lot of mistakes on the thumbnail. The thumbnail is not wet light. Yes, it's just deep, and the words on the thumbnail is too many. So instead of me to use like 4 to 5 words, and to make the word very bold, and be able to be for audience to be able to read it perfectly, the words is too much, so they don't even know which one to pick. So that's how I just get it very, very wrong. I get it very wrong because of my thumbnail. I just get it wrong, and what I write on my thumbnail is also what I write in the title. So that's how I just get everything very, very wrong. So I hope you don't make the same mistakes, because even though if your video actually came first on the YouTube search, but if the thumbnail does not attract the viewers, they will not click on the video, they will not click on it. So that's why you need to start knowing how to update your metadata, know how to do the thumbnail, the title, and also the descriptions, because these are form of YouTube SEO, YouTube search engine optimization. YouTube is a search engine optimization. Is where people search and watch. So this is a way I actually record my video, do everything, optimize it. And again, I don't forget to categorize my video, because if you did not categorize it, let's say you make a videos on how to, and you refuse to categorize it, the audience, let me say, the YouTube algorithm will not know where your video actually belongs to. Because when your video is made on how to, and you now categorize it under education, just imagine, wrong people will be visiting your video, so they will not subscribe because they will not watch. So this is how you actually do everything, and you are able to optimize your video, and your video will actually come first on the YouTube search. So I believe if you are able to follow these steps I actually state in this video, I believe your video is going to come first, and you are going to rank as #1 on the YouTube search. So if you find this video very helpful, guys, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, don't forget to make a comment, like the video. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.